All right, we're back. Yeah, right at the conclusion of that clip there. I'll probably stitch these together. Anyway, that was having some trouble with this thing, and it's a little more finely threaded than I'm used to. This is like butter. I guess I'm used to more coarse thread nipples on these things. But yeah, that went on real nice. And according to the box manufacturer, they just say hand snug this and do 1/3 of a turn. Yeah, you know, kind of subjective. But I think I have it on there adequate. Alright, good to go. Like I said, Wednesday, May 22nd. I think I said mileage, 5842. And this job is almost done. I gotta go fish in the drain pan bolt out of the out of the oil catch pan here, drain pan, put the bolt in, wipe all this down, put 4 quarts of oil in here, Mobil to put Mobil 1 synthetic in, and then get on down the road.